this lab we're going to be configuring network load balancing. First we're going to install network load balancing, then we're going to create an NLB cluster, then we're going to configure DNS, then we're going to configure cluster properties, then we're going to manage cluster nodes, and then we're finally going to remove the NLB cluster. First we're going to go to server 1, and we're going to go to server manager and go to manage, and we're going to go to add roles and features, and we're going to click next, click next, click next, click next, and now we're going to scroll down and select network load balancing and click add features and click next and click install. It is finished installing. Now we're going to click close, and we're going to go up to tools and go to network load balancing manager. We're going to go up to cluster and go to new. We're going to type in server 1 and click connect. We're going to select Ethernet and we're going to click next. We're going to make sure the priority is set to 1 and the default state to started. Click next, and we're going to add a cluster IP address, so click add. Now we're going to type in 192.168.1.65, and we're going to keep the default subnet mask. Now we're going to click OK, and we're going to click next, and we're going to enter in the full internet name, which is web.cisco.com, and we're going to click next and click finished. As you can tell, web.cisco.com has been added, and now we're going to minimize server 1 and go to our WDC1, and now we're going to go to server manager, and now we're going to go to tools, and we're going to go to DNS, and now we're going to go to forward lookup zones and go to cisco.com, and now we're going to right click and go to new host, and now we're going to type in web, and now we're going to add the IP of 192.168.1.65, and we're going to create a PTR, and we're going to click add host, and as you can tell, it's been added successfully. We're going to click OK and click done, and now we're going to right click cisco.com and go to Alice and type in www, and now we're going to type in the full domain name, which is web.cisco.com. We're going to click OK, and now we're going to minimize our WDC1 and go to server 1. Right click web.cisco.com and go to cluster properties, go to port rules, and we're going to delete the default, and we're going to click add. We're going to select the port ranges from 80 to 80, and we're going to select the protocol TCP, and we're going to click OK, and we're going to click add again and select the port ranges from 443 to 443 and select TCP. Now we're going to click OK and click OK, and now we're going to right click server 1, and we're going to go to control host, and we're going to go to drain stop. Now we're going to right click server 1 and go to control host and go to start, and now we're going to right click server 1 and go to control host and go to stop, and now we are going to delete the cluster, so we're going to right click web.cisco.com and we're going to delete cluster, and we're going to select yes. You can tell the cluster has been deleted. Now we're going to exit out a network load balance manager. We're going to remove network load balancing. So we're going to go to manage and remove roles and features. Click next, click next, click next. We're going to scroll down and go to network load balancing and remove features and click next and click remove. You can tell the feature has been removed. We're going to click close. In this lab we have successfully configured network load balancing.